The Arctic, a realm of icy plains and towering glaciers. This vast frozen expanse stretches across the top of our planet, a place where the sun barely rises in winter and never sets in summer. The Arctic is a world of extremes, where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, and the landscape is sculpted by the relentless forces of ice and wind. A land of perpetual twilight and howling winds. Here the sky is often painted in hues of pink and purple, a surreal twilight that lasts for months. The wind, a constant companion, sweeps across the barren plains, carrying with it the whispers of ancient secrets. For centuries, this frozen desert has guarded its secrets, buried beneath layers of ice and snow. The Arctic has been a silent witness to the passage of time, its icy depths holding the remnants of ancient civilizations and the stories of those who dared to explore its mysteries. It is a place of extreme beauty and unforgiving nature. The Arctic's stark, pristine beauty is both mesmerizing and intimidating. Its ice formations, sculpted by the elements, create a landscape that is both alien and breathtaking. Yet this beauty comes with a harsh reality. The Arctic is a place where survival is a constant struggle. Explorers and adventurers have long been drawn to its mysteries. From the early days of exploration, when intrepid souls set out to map the unknown, to modern adventurers equipped with the latest technology, the Arctic has always been a magnet for those seeking to push the boundaries of human endurance. They sought to conquer its challenges and unlock its hidden truths. These brave individuals faced unimaginable hardships, freezing temperatures, treacherous ice, and isolation, all in the name of discovery. Their journeys were fraught with danger, but the allure of the Arctic secrets was too great to resist. Many have perished in the attempt. The Arctic demands respect. The frozen landscape is littered with the remnants of failed expeditions, a stark reminder of the price of hubris. Memorials stand as silent sentinels, honoring those who gave their lives in the pursuit of knowledge. It tests the limits of human endurance. The Arctic is a proving ground where only the strongest and most determined can hope to survive. The relentless cold, the ever-present danger of frostbite, and the psychological toll of isolation push explorers to their limits. Yet, for those who dare to venture into its frozen embrace, the rewards can be immense. The Arctic holds treasures beyond imagination, ancient artifacts, untouched landscapes, and a glimpse into the Earth's distant past. These discoveries offer invaluable insights into our planet's history and the resilience of life in extreme conditions. For the Arctic is not a barren wasteland. Beneath its icy surface lies a world teeming with life. From the majestic polar bears and elusive Arctic foxes to the resilient lichens and mosses that cling to the rocks, the Arctic is a vibrant ecosystem, adapted to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. It is a land of untold stories. The ice itself is a storyteller with its intricate patterns and hidden formations. Each layer of ice holds a record of the past, a frozen archive waiting to be deciphered. The caves and crevices of the Arctic hide secrets that have yet to be uncovered. Ancient tales lie frozen in time. The Arctic's ice preserves the relics of bygone eras, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited this frozen world. These ancient objects, encased in ice, are like time capsules, waiting to reveal their stories to those who seek them. They whisper of a past that we are only beginning to understand. The winds that sweep across the Arctic carry with them the echoes of history, a reminder of the civilizations that once thrived here. As the ice melts, it reveals artifacts that challenge our understanding of the past and offer new perspectives on the history of our planet. The indigenous peoples of the Arctic have long spoken of these stories. For generations, the native inhabitants of the Arctic have passed down their knowledge and traditions through storytelling. These tales, rich with cultural significance, offer a unique insight into the history and mythology of the Arctic. They are passed down through generations. The elders of the Arctic communities are the keepers of these stories, sharing them with the younger generations to ensure that their heritage is preserved. These cultural rituals and traditions are a vital link to the past, connecting the present with the ancient history of the Arctic. Myths and legends tell of a time before the ice. The stories of the indigenous peoples speak of a time when the Arctic was not a frozen wasteland, but a lush, verdant paradise. These myths and legends passed down through the ages offer a tantalizing glimpse into a world that existed long before the ice took hold, a time when the Arctic was a verdant paradise. Imagine a landscape teeming with life where forests and meadows stretched as far as the eye could see. This ancient Arctic, so different from the frozen expanse we know today, was a place of abundance and beauty, a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. Could these tales be more than just folklore? The stories of a verdant Arctic challenge our understanding of the past, raising questions about the history of our planet and the forces that have shaped it. Researchers and scientists are now delving into these ancient tales, seeking to uncover the truth behind the myths. Could they hold the key to unlocking the secrets of our planet's distant past? The discoveries being made in the Arctic are shedding new light on the history of our planet, offering clues to the forces that have shaped our world. As scientists continue to study these ancient relics, they are piecing together a picture of a time long forgotten, revealing the secrets of a land that has always been shrouded in mystery. In the summer of 2023, a team of researchers embarked on an ambitious expedition to the Canadian Arctic. This journey was not just another scientific endeavour, it was a quest to uncover the secrets buried deep within the ice, secrets that could reshape our understanding of the planet's past and future. Their mission, to study the effects of climate change on the region's ancient ice sheets. These ice sheets, some of the oldest on Earth, hold within them a frozen record of our planet's climatic history, a history that is rapidly being altered by the warming climate. Led by Dr. Anya Petrova, a renowned archaeologist and expert in Arctic exploration, the team consisted of glaciologists, geologists, and historians. Each member brought a unique set of skills and knowledge, making the team a formidable force in the field of Arctic research. They were equipped with cutting-edge technology. From advanced ice-penetrating radar to high-resolution drones, every piece of equipment was meticulously chosen to ensure the success of their mission. Their goal was to extract ice cores and analyze them for clues about Earth's climate history. These ice cores, cylindrical samples drilled from the ice, contain trapped air bubbles and particles that can reveal past atmospheric conditions. What they found, however, would far exceed their wildest expectations. The ice cores revealed not just climatic data, but hints of something far more extraordinary. While conducting aerial surveys using ground-penetrating radar, the team detected an anomaly. This anomaly was unlike any natural formation they had ever encountered. Deep beneath the ice, there was a large rectangular structure. The radar images showed clear, defined edges, suggesting it was man-made. It was unlike anything they had ever seen before. The structure's size and shape were completely unexpected, raising more questions than answers. Intrigued and excited, Dr. Petrova and her team decided to investigate further. They knew that this discovery could be groundbreaking, potentially rewriting history books. They knew that the extreme conditions would make excavation incredibly difficult. The Arctic is one of the harshest environments on Earth, with temperatures plummeting to dangerous levels and unpredictable weather patterns. But the potential significance of their discovery was too great to ignore. The team was driven by a sense of purpose, knowing that their work could have far-reaching implications. The researchers set up camp near the site. Their base camp was a hub of activity, with scientists preparing equipment and planning their next steps. A sense of anticipation filled the air. Every member of the team could feel the weight of the moment, knowing they were on the brink of a major discovery. They were on the verge of uncovering something truly extraordinary. The excavation process was slow and painstaking, but the team remained focused and determined, a secret hidden for millennia beneath the frozen ground. As they dug deeper, they began to uncover ancient relics, each one adding to the mystery of the structure. The Arctic, it seemed, was ready to reveal another of its long-held mysteries. The discovery was not just a scientific breakthrough, but a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Extracting the structure from its icy tomb proved to be a monumental task. The ice had encased the ancient crypt for centuries, preserving it but also making it incredibly difficult to access. Each chip of the ice was a step back in time, revealing secrets long hidden beneath the frozen surface. The team battled freezing temperatures, biting winds, and treacherous ice conditions. The Arctic environment was unforgiving, with temperatures plummeting to dangerous lows and winds that could cut through even the warmest of clothing. Every moment spent outside was a test of endurance and resilience. The remoteness of the location made resupply and logistical support a constant challenge. Helicopters were often the only means of delivering essential supplies, and even then, the unpredictable weather could delay or even prevent these crucial deliveries. The team had to meticulously plan their resources, ensuring they had enough to sustain their efforts for weeks on end. Special equipment had to be brought in. This included heavy machinery capable of breaking through the thick ice and specialized tools designed to work in sub-zero temperatures. Transporting this equipment to such a remote location was a logistical nightmare, requiring careful coordination and precise timing. Heated shelters were essential for the team's survival. These shelters provided a much-needed respite from the harsh conditions, allowing the researchers to warm up and rest before heading back out into the cold. Without these heated tents, the team would not have been able to sustain their efforts for long. Despite the hardships, the researchers persevered. Their determination was unwavering, driven by the knowledge that they were uncovering a piece of history that had been lost for millennia. Each day brought new challenges, but also new discoveries that fueled their passion and commitment. They worked tirelessly day and night, using a combination of traditional archaeological techniques and advanced technology. The harsh Arctic night was no deterrent. With the aid of powerful lights and modern equipment, the team continued their excavation around the clock. Traditional methods provided a careful touch, while advanced technology allowed for more precise and efficient work. Slowly but surely, they began to remove the layers of ice and frozen earth that had concealed the structure for countless centuries. Each layer peeled back revealed more of the ancient crypt, a testament to the skill and dedication of the archaeologists. The frozen ground was tough and unyielding, but the team's persistence paid off as they uncovered more and more of the hidden relics. As they dug deeper, the true nature of their discovery became horrifyingly clear. What they initially thought was a simple burial site turned out to be something far more complex and eerie. The crypt held secrets that hinted at ancient rituals and practices that were both fascinating and unsettling. This was no ordinary structure. The crypt was intricately built with precise architectural details that spoke of a highly advanced and sophisticated civilization. The craftsmanship was extraordinary, with every stone and carving meticulously placed to create a structure of both beauty and mystery. It was an ancient crypt, built with incredible precision and artistry. Excitement mixed with trepidation. The team was thrilled by the discovery, but also aware of the potential dangers and the immense responsibility that came with unearthing such a significant historical site. They knew they had to proceed with caution and respect. The team knew they were treading on hallowed ground. Every step, every action was taken with the utmost care to preserve the integrity of the site. They were not just uncovering artifacts, they were piecing together a story from the past. A story that had been buried for thousands of years. They were about to unveil a chapter of human history that had been lost for millennia. The significance of their work was not lost on them. Each artifact, each piece of the crypt they uncovered added to the rich tapestry of human history, providing insights into a civilization long gone. The weight of their responsibility was immense. They were not just excavating a site, they were custodians of history, tasked with preserving and interpreting the past for future generations. The pressure was enormous, but so was their dedication to the task at hand. They were determined to proceed with the utmost care and respect. Every artifact was handled with the greatest of care. Every decision made with the preservation of the site in mind. The team knew that their work would be scrutinized by historians and archaeologists for years to come, and they were committed to doing it right. The world was watching, eager to learn the secrets of the Arctic crypt. Media from around the globe covered the story, and the public followed every development with keen interest. The team's work had captured the imagination of people everywhere, and they were determined to live up to the expectations and reveal the crypt's secrets with the respect and care it deserved.